Summer is right around the corner, and I absolutely love wearing summer scents. When I think of summer scents, I think of tropical and beachy. I love to layer them to kind of give a more complex feeling to what I'm wearing. I like to start with a tropical floral oil, something like Moniette or Kai, Gardenia, think vanilla orchid, ylang ylang, that kind of vibe. And then I like to do maybe a sophisticated floral on top, something like Bora Bora or Lalibela, which are also tropical florals, just to enhance that kind of essence. Maybe a little more citrus, but still floral, like Neroli Orange, that has a beautiful ylang ylang underneath the orange blossom. And then maybe something else a little bit salty, a little bit more like the actual sea, Acqua di Sale by Profumum or Salted Green Mango, to give it a little bit of balance with those tropical florals. And finally, you cannot think of summer and vacation without vacation. This is the poolside banana daiquiri in a bottle. It's so fun to wear. I love all of these scents, and there's plenty more. Coco Coco, keep going. Check these out.